While staying in Sivasagar, we visited some historical places.
Today we are in Talatal Ghar, also known as Kareng Ghar of Ahom kings. They charge an entry fee of 25 if you are paying cash, and if you are buying ticket online it is rupees 20. Some renovation works going on here. But it feels like a lot can be done in maintaining these places. Okay, this is Siva Dol in Sivasagar on the bank of Sivasagar tank. Besides Siva Dol, two other dols are there. One is Vishnu Dol and another is Devi Dol. Though exactly I am not sure which is Vishnu and which is Devi Dol. This is Siva Dol, and topmost part of Siva Dol is of gold. We are at Kareng Ghar in Gargaon in Sivasagar district. This is one of the finest architectures of Ahom period. This was built by Suklengmung, then later on Pramotta Singha added a masonry structure, and later on Rajeshwar Singha built it to the current form. Earlier we heard that there is a underground tunnel from this Kareng Ghar to Talatal Ghar in Sivasagar. We are inside Kareng Ghar now. This is a beautiful palace built by Ahom kings. And this is the view from top of Kareng Ghar. You can see Ahom Raja palace is designed with hedges there down on the lawn. This is Saraidev. Saraidev was the original capital of Ahom kingdom. The capital was established by Saraidev Sukafa in the year 1228 AD. These are burial grounds of Ahom kings called Maidams. Here there are 4 Maidams within this ASI protected area. These are different Maidams here in Saraidev. You can see some tourists also. After rain, the footpath is little bit slippery. These Maidams are kind of pyramids, and Charaideo is known as pyramids of Assam. This is open from sunrise to sunset. Here is one of the Maidams. I see some kind of entrance here. Let us see what we can find here. This is open from sunrise to sunset, so they told us that it will be closed at 5 p.m. today, and it's already 4:40 p.m. Okay, so I think this is one of the burial site of one of the Ahom kings. Not very well maintained. Water is dripping from top.